Dive into the transformative world of gratitude journaling, a simple practice with profound effects on your happiness. Set up your gratitude journal, a notebook or an app, and personalize it with colors and stickers that spark joy. Every day, list 3 things you're thankful for, be it the warmth of your morning coffee, a stranger's friendly smile, or the coziness of a snug blanket. Each week, dedicate a page to your wow moments. Those small victories and unexpected joys that took your breath away. Scribe a heartfelt thank you note to someone who has made a difference in your life, and if you can, share it with them. Challenge yourself with weekly gratitude themes like immersing in nature's wonders or performing random acts of kindness, and document your journey. With your gratitude journal by your side, you'll not only build a treasure trove of positivity but also cultivate a deeper appreciation for life's splendors. Share your gratitude journey with us using #gratitudejoy. And together, we can spread the joy. If you enjoyed this snippet, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more uplifting content. Your support is our fuel. Let us know what other topics you'd love to explore in the comments below. Until our next rendezvous,